Hey everybody, welcome back to CAtuned YouTube channel. I just kind of wanted to get on here and update everybody. This is not a video I wanted to make originally. We thought about originally making a nice video as a final reveal on the Foha build because you all been following it. Well, tragedy has struck because on Sunday somebody had struck the back of the car and took off. They basically did a hit and run. So basically now we're just waiting for the insurance company to come out, do their evaluation. I'm gonna fight it. My thought is I'm gonna fix it. In all intents and purposes, I was really mad and kind of like pissed off, gutted, whatever you wanna call it. But now, looking back, it's been a few days. I have to be rational. I have to think about it from a rational standpoint. I'm just glad that no one was hurt from our end. Obviously, whoever struck it might have been drunk or DUI or whatever. It was St. Patty's weekend. It was probably somebody out of the area because I live in a nice neighborhood. So, you know, not somebody we know. We do know that it was a Toyota Corolla, like a 99 to 13 model year. So if anybody has any information, please feel free to reach out. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and fix it either way, but I'm waiting for insurance to come out, do their inspections, and hopefully this will be a positive outcome. And as we were fixing it, I'm gonna go ahead and film all that stuff and update you guys, and then we'll do a grand reveal. But in the meantime, I just kind of wanted to get on here, let everybody know what happened. At the same time, try to keep your cars off the streets. I really didn't have a choice. My garage is full, the workshop is busy, and we're full. So I just parked the car there about a week outside, and bam. You know, strategy didn't work out. Trying to make space and, you know, things happen. But anyways, have a good one and we'll see you next time.